Is your money transfer stuck in limbo? Let's find out if MoneyGram is experiencing an outage and explore your options. First, visit the official MoneyGram website. Look for any announcements, alerts, or notifications about system outages or service disruptions. This is usually displayed prominently on their homepage. Next, check the MoneyGram Help Center or fax section. Search for terms like outage, service interruption, or system status. They often provide updates on known issues here. Hop onto social media platforms like Twitter. Search for hashtags like #MoneyGram or #MoneyGramDown. This can give you real-time insights from other users who might be experiencing the same issues. If you're a MoneyGram app user, check the app for any notifications. Often, they'll push alerts directly to your phone about service disruptions. If MoneyGram is indeed down and you need to send money urgently, consider alternative money transfer services. Wise, Remitly, and Zoom are popular options with varying fees and transfer times. Compare them to find the best fit. And finally, don't panic. Outages are usually temporary. Keep checking the official MoneyGram channels for updates and explore those alternative options. If time is of the essence, your money will get where it needs to go.